Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making origami 8 petaled flower. I'll be taking 15 centimeter square sheet of paper to create this model. These small 2 flowers are made using 1/4 size of the sheet. I'll be starting with the color side up, creating the plus crease. Then keep the white side on the top and create a cross crease. Collapse the model into square base or preliminary base. The color side of the paper is facing inside. Bring 2 sides to the center crease. The model will look like this. Repeat the same thing on the back side too. Then take a scissor and cut on this line. Open the paper. We can see a V shape here. So collapse the paper according to that line. The model as demonstrated. Now we have 4 flaps on each side. Make an imaginary mirror line of this shape here and bring this tip and fold till there to create a triangle. Bigger triangle will make bigger circle inside the flower and the smaller triangle will make smaller triangle inside the flower. So I am keeping the equal distance here and making a crease. On the same crease line, fold back the triangle. Then open the flaps. Do the mountain fold on this circle. Then start collapsing the paper as shown. Press in the center, it will help you to collapse it easily. Now we have 4 flaps on each side. Now bring this tip to the center crease line. If you fold it more than the center line, then you will get a bowl shaped flower. Fold it parallelly till the bottom. Repeat the same thing for all the sides. Now the model will look like this. Slowly open the petals by holding the pleats like this. Hold the pleats in place and pull slowly in the opposite sides. Let the pleats be closed. Carefully open all the petals. Slowly flatten the flower as shown. Here we can see all the pleats are facing to the same direction and folded neatly. Now let's give the curve shape to the petals. Turn the model and this area, just fold this tip down till here to the left crease line. And flatten it as shown. Repeat the same thing for all the petals. Origami flower is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.